Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the essentials: a Windows 10 or 11 PC with updated GPU drivers and 2 GB free space. Once done, choose the wallpaper type: MP4 for videos, HTML5 for interactive scenes, or a dedicated app for system-integrated animations. Next, install a wallpaper manager such as Wallpaper Engine or Lively. These programs handle formats and performance settings, so you won't manually configure system files. Make sure to run the install. You now install and open the Wallpaper Manager and grant it background permissions. Once in, import your asset. Drag an MP4, extract and add a ZIP package, or enter an HTML5 URL. This tells the app what to render. Then configure performance. Set an FPS cap to balance quality and resources, enable pause on battery to save power on laptops, and assign different wallpapers per monitor if you have multiple displays. These steps ensure smooth playback without overloading your GPU. You finish by applying the wallpaper and confirming it appears on the desktop and not blocking essential overlays. Make sure lock screen behavior is set as you prefer. Once active, monitor CPU and GPU usage for a few minutes. If usage climbs above roughly 70%, reduce resolution or FPS to stabilize performance. If you see a black or blank wallpaper, restart the Wallpaper app, update your GPU driver, or change the rendering mode in settings. These fixes resolve most display issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.